Hey guys, Trent here from How To Haven, back again with another quick tutorial, and today I'm showing you how you can enable or disable offline files in Windows. Before we get into this, I just want to ask, if this video does help you today, please consider leaving a super thanks or just engaging in the video in any way, as it really helps me out. But let's get right into it. So to do this, you want to go to your control panel, and you'll get a view like this. You're going to want to click this arrow here and go to all control panel items to give you everything they have. Go down here to the right to the sync center, click on that, and on the left you'll see this manage offline files tab. Click that, which will bring up this screen, and you can hit enable here and then OK. It's going to prompt you to restart your computer, which you're going to have to do at this point if you want it to take effect. I'm not going to do it yet. And then if you go back, you can do the same thing to disable, hit OK, and boom. The reason you might want to do this is because it will basically let you use network files offline. So if you're not able to connect to the network, or there's something wrong with the server, you can still use your files, and then when you reconnect, it will sync and it'll be all good, which can be really, really useful. Anyways, guys, make sure to restart your computer, and if this video helped you, you know what to do. Peace.